Meaning of Dustbuster.
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 Dustbuster. Dustbuster refers to a handheld cordless vacuum cleaner designed for quick and easy cleanups of dirt and debris. It is typically lightweight and portable, making it suitable for use on furniture, stairs, and cars. The device features a motorized brush designed to sweep up dirt and dust particles from carpets, upholstery, and hard surfaces. The collected debris is stored in a detachable dirt cup that can be emptied and cleaned easily. Dustbusters are popular among homeowners who want a convenient and efficient way to keep their living spaces clean and tidy without the hassle of lugging around a bulky vacuum cleaner.